On a quiet afternoon in March 1876, in Bath County, Kentucky, an event occurred that would puzzle scientists and locals alike for generations. It was a day like any other. Chunks of fleshy substance began raining from the sky, covering an area roughly 100 by 50 yards. This bizarre phenomenon came to be known as the Kentucky meat shower. Eyewitness reports described chunks of meat varying in size from delicate flakes to pieces nearly 3 inches square, plummeting from a clear sky. The event left people bemused, sparking intrigue across the nation. Initially, the people speculated wildly. Some locals thought it to be a divine message or a biblical plague. Others believed the shower was the result of vulture vomit. This theory posited that a flock of vultures scavenging for scraps simply disgorged their last meal, scattering bits of meat over the farmland below. It was a plausible explanation, given that vultures are known for this kind of regurgitation when alarmed. However, not everyone was satisfied with such a straightforward answer. Scientists of the time took up the challenge of deciphering this mystery. Specimens of the meat were collected and sent for analysis. Early examinations suggested that the substance was indeed animal flesh. But the puzzlement didn't end there. Some analyses suggested it was mutton, others claimed it resembled venison or even human infant flesh. Such reports only thickened the plot, stirring further speculation and bewilderment. Despite extensive investigation, a definitive conclusion about the origin of the meat was never reached, leaving the Kentucky meat shower an enigma. While the vulture theory remains the most widely accepted explanation to date, the true source of the meat pieces could never be confirmed. The Kentucky meat shower remains one of the most peculiar and inexplicable occurrences in American history, highlighting the strange and oftentimes mysterious nature of our world. Could it have been a rare biological occurrence or just an elaborate hoax that spiraled out of hand? While the truths of 1876 may remain buried in the past, what is certain is the enduring fascination with this event, reminding us of nature's unparalleled oddities.